So for DPA today, we're going to be getting active in the hallway. So that means we really need to focus on participating safely. So what I'd like you to do is turn to your partner and let's take 1 minute to talk about safe participation in the hallway. What are some safe procedures we need to follow when we are active in the hallway? Have students conference with their partner, each speaking uninterrupted for up to 1 minute to share their knowledge of success criteria of safe participation. Following partner discussions, consider having pairs share the responses with the class. Consider recording correct responses on poster paper for future reference. Throughout the lesson, continue to draw students' attention to the identified criteria for success. To get warmed up and to increase our heart rates, we're going to play fantasy hockey. Students will gradually increase their heart rate by moving around the activity area. The movement should start slowly and gradually raise the students' heart rates. Call out a variety of situations that might occur during a hockey game, and students perform the corresponding action. Penalty, students perform 5 squats. Great save, students perform 3 side lunges to each side. Great game, students high-five their classmates and say, "Great game." Consider writing the actions on the board for student reference throughout the warm-up. Prior to the activity, inspect the activity area for safe traction and eliminate potential hazardous conditions. Remind students to be cautious when moving and to be aware of the personal space of others. So, working in your groups, we're going to move into the hallway for our core partner circuit. Now, it's important to keep in mind our success criteria for safety. So I want you to stand up, push your chairs in, and let's move into the hall. Post station cards around the activity area. Spread stations out to minimize interference from other activities. Divide students into groups of 4 to 6 and assign each group a station to begin. Review safety considerations and station activities with students. Start music and have students perform the activities at each station for 45 seconds. Stop music to indicate when students should move to the next station and allow 10 seconds to move. Encourage students to move actively and in different ways between stations. Consider using the stop, point, and move strategy, where students will stop moving, point to the next station, and move in a way directed by the teacher. Throughout the activity, remind students of the success criteria identified in the start of the lesson. Let's cool down with Cool Defense partners. Have students choose a partner. One partner leads the other around the activity area, mimicking the actions of someone playing defense. They begin by moving at a reasonable pace and gradually slow down to a walk. Actions could include side shuffles, bounding left to right, crossovers, and moving backwards. Partners exchange lead positions every 20 seconds. Repeat 3 times. Then have one partner demonstrate a stretch, and both partners will hold the stretch for 10 to 15 seconds. Partners switch roles. Each partner should lead at least 3 stretches. Following the cool down, students conference with their partner and share examples of safe participation they saw demonstrated throughout the class. Have students share their responses with the large group.